Hi guys, this is Str8Aim and welcome to AQ Snooker. Today I have a great news that AQ Snooker just received a beautiful two training gadgets from New Zealand. A very innovative person, Mr. Vincent Tate, introduced this in snooker world, which I am sure are gonna help a lot of snooker players to improve their games, or even a pool player, billiard player. These are universal standard gadgets, and I just received them in Pakistan. First time in Pakistan, probably in Asia. I don't know how many other guys have these gadgets. So I'm gonna unbox them today, and we're gonna see what's in it, and then I'll make few videos on how you can practice on them and how these products help you improve your game. Also, if you want to order them, you can contact me on the numbers below on the website or on the website of Str8Aim. I referred them to AQ Snooker to get special discount. And let's open this pack and see what we've got. Okay, so first I have this that is called SA2. If you can read it on the board, SA2 is a very innovative product. And I also like to tell you that these products are only made in New Zealand. We've got a very good block in the box with the line on for aiming. Second product is, this is a beautiful Str8Aim to SA2. So this is very good product for practicing your improving your hitting. As you can see, there is a top, middle and bottom, like follow shot, stop shot and backspin. So it's a very good product. This is called SA2. I'm going to make few practice videos very soon to give you the idea that how this gadget helps in improving your game. So let's get the other box open. I've just took this off. Now let's see, this is a very innovative thing. So let's check this. What's in it? Okay, there's a, you can see there's a sort of a chin pad in it, and this is, wow, very nice. So this is Str8Aim. I think I haven't seen a product like this. This helps in many ways. When I'm going to make a training videos on them, you will see that how this helps the player. And this is actually a magnetic. It fits over, I think, this one, the magnet, and then you can practice your straight cueing on this tool. I'm gonna definitely make few videos. The website of this products are on the screen. You can visit them directly. You can order them, the products, if you want to buy them, or you can contact me at AQ Snooker with special discounts, and I'm definitely gonna help you out with not only with training but to get these products at your doorstep. So these are very high quality made. I'm just checking them. Okay, definitely this is, you can see this is actually helping your cueing. We're gonna fix cue in here, and it's gonna help. Let me just check. Let me bring a cue and then we'll see how it works. So I've got cue now, and it's actually made for snooker, pool, any cue sport. It's not only for snooker. You can also use it on 8 or 9 ball pool. You can fix it tight, and now you see it becomes part of it. And then what you can do is you can fix it on the magnet on it, and then once you are practicing it, it gives you a good, I think that's how it works. It helps you with your cueing. I'm gonna make quite a few videos on this one, and I'm sure you will love it. And definitely this is the product that every snooker player should have, or at least every coach should have to help his student to expedite his cue action or cueing memory or muscle memory and keeping his head down. This is so many features I'm going to talk about later when I'm going to make videos in Urdu language and in English language as well. So thank you very much to Vincent Tate from New Zealand who invented these products for snooker players. A very innovative person and a coach to help snooker players improve this game. So I highly recommend this product for any snooker players who is struggling with his delivery or his body movement. I think this is going to restrict everything. So once again, I'm going to make few videos, and thank you very much for these products. And these products are introduced first time in Pakistan by Hindi Snooker. So you can contact me if you want to buy these products, or you can contact them directly and give them the reference of Hindi Snooker, and you will get a special discount on purchasing these products for your institute or your house or even for your snooker center. Thank you very much.